a harder job, which is to discipline. Even if it's with love, sometimes you discipline talaga na kailangan medyo firm, diba? And those things are not easy. It's painful. And I appreciate that from you, my love. How intentional you are with spending time with them, with playing with them, with talking to them, sharing God's word with them, and continually apologizing whenever you hurt. So I see that love. I see also how you have been trying to break the generational curse of not growing up with a father. Diba? And so, I could just imagine how hard that must have been for you to be a father kung yung lumaki ka nang wala kang role model. And yet, you are doing such an amazing job, love. Na siguro the things that you did not have as a child are the things that you try to give to your children. And those are the things that I appreciate from